This charge can stimulate or manipulate your throat chakra, speaking things with power or speaking things into existence. Yodelay hee hoo. Wake up!
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. Eating the wop. A wop, bop, a doo, bop, ba da, bam, boom. Tutti frutti, all rooted. Yes, we're talking about that fruit, the berries, the fountain of youth elixir. This practice is not only on an alchemical power, it is also a way to keep the wife at bay.
I'm fast as boy.
Happy wife, happy life. To all my single players. Now, obviously, you can't eat everybody's wop.
Nope.
Some of these females out here have sop. Sad ass pussy. Sad ass pussy. Sad ass pussy. So be mindful of where you're sticking your tongue. It should be for that special someone who you know has her mind in order and is about to put some healing elixir in your being. This is about energy, and this energy transference is key in putting your battery life in line.
Message.
From the negative to the positive, we are nothing but huge jumper cables pulling and receiving a charge from our better halves. This charge can stimulate or manipulate your throat chakra, speaking things with power or speaking things into existence. Yodelay hee hoo. Don't get me wrong, goddesses. You want to speak truth to power too. Yodelay hee, yodelay hee, yodelay hee hoo. The garden, the burning bush, the gateway. This licking and sucking of the G-spot is where the power lies. When you're in the act of giving some tumultuous head, you want to put yourself in an imaginative state. This state can be a few things. Visualizing the love you have for the individual and the love you have for yourself. The mirroring effect. Imagine yourself as the powerful being you say you are, and this transcending lucid state will put you in a manifestation zone. And also, as you're in your practice, mind you, I said practice, you can literally heal yourself by taking in the elixir coming out of the gateway. This physical elixir is called Kalis or Amrithya. Listen to this. Female ejaculation is called Amrithya, which means nectar of bliss. If a woman is basically healthy and emotionally balanced, it is a healing elixir for men. It actually is an elixir of longevity for men, so in such a case, a man who is gifted with this by a woman should drink with gratitude and joy. Yodelay hee, yodelay hee, yodelay hee hoo. Eat up, fill up, and turn up with your throat chakra. Dream wise.